beanbag. Home Depot, Wayfair, Pottery Barn. I know there's a Pottery Barn at the mall. Do they have it? Or is it online too? I need it tomorrow. Oh my God. Shipped to home, arrived November 14th. Is there no store in this area that has an actual beanbag chair? Are you kidding me? I checked Home Depot. I already checked Walmart. The only things that Walmart had were like these little like Spider-Man themed like kids bean bags. Like you go into Walmart, you type in bean bag, and then you go here and you go fulfillment speed tomorrow, or you say in store. So honestly, I'll just clear that and I'll just say in store. And oh, well, here's one. Well, wait a minute. No, it says free shipping, delivery to, not available for pickup. Not available. Not available for pickup. That's stupid. I don't need it November 12th. I need it November 9th. Today is November 8th. I need it tomorrow. And you're telling me there's no... Wait a minute. Yeah, there's no store anywhere in the surrounding area that has a beanbag chair. It's literally the easiest piece of furniture you could have in stock. You can put it in a box, and it's like the smallest thing, and then it unfolds, and it's like a really big thing. Or like two boxes, one with the filling and one box with the fabric. Like it's... I'm not asking for a sectional here. But that's the stupid thing, is if I wanted a sectional, I could have that tomorrow. But a sectional is like $1,600. I just want a simple $150 adult-size beanbag chair, not something dumb like this. Look at this. I don't want this. No, I don't want a Marvel Spider-Man chair for kids. It says kids. I don't want that. Here's one. It says kids, teens, but it's just kids again. It's the same size. And it looks okay, but it's just too small. This is what I want. $350, and well, it's a bit high, but that's what I want. The chill sack, the big thing. But no, I go here, I click what's in store, and available tomorrow, and it disappears. Just kid stuff. Pottery Barn, which is supposed to be the rich person store, it's the same story. And actually, let me go here, Pottery Barn, beanbag, search, do the same thing I did with Walmart. No, not in stock and ready to ship. I mean, next day, ship to, yeah, next day. I think that's the right one. 436, 435, yeah, that's correct. Well, hold on. Wait a minute. Okay. No, wait, this is the cover only. Aw, come on. Slip cover only. There's no stuffing with it. Slip cover. Oh my God. Why? Why is it so hard to find this simple piece of furniture? What am I missing? And besides, how big is this? Say I did get this and then I bought the stuffing separate. It still says shipped to home, arrives November 14th. No, I need it now. Now, I said. Oh my. Oh. Forget it. I'm going to go to Goodwill, Salvation Army, and just like bum rush the place and get what I can. Probably be at a better price anyway. I hope it's clean. I'm going to have to find a way to clean it, but they usually clean their stuff. But I'll have to clean it again. Oh, tomorrow's going to be crazy. I can't. I thought it would be easy to find a beanbag. I was so wrong. Walmart. Is there any other store I'm missing? I already tried IKEA. I tried IKEA. IKEA didn't know what they were doing. I mean, I typed beanbag in the search bar for IKEA, and I was getting tables and stuff, so they didn't know what was going on. Go shopping. Yes, let's go shopping. That's what we're doing. What are you looking for? I'm looking for a beanbag. Do you have it? No. You have a poof $80 freaking whatever that is, egg-shaped thing, and then you have a $30 cushion, which just looks like the cheapest thing ever. There's an ottoman, but is an ottoman a beanbag? No, IKEA. A chair is not a beanbag. None of these things have beans in them. They look like a bean, kind of. No, even really, that doesn't even look like a bean. It looks like you know those like Vienna sausage cans? It looks like that, if anything. That's not a beanbag. This is an armchair. It says armchair and ottoman. That's not a beanbag. I can't. No beanbag, nothing? Is everything online now? You can't go to a store and just pick the thing up? Do one-day shipping? Rich people do it all the time, I've been told. I don't know. I don't have $300 to ship a $150 thing, though. Oh, my God. Is there any other store I can pick? Anything? Home Depot, Pottery Barn. Who else sells furniture like this? You know what? Forget it. I'm going to Goodwill. I'm going to Goodwill. That's where I got this really nice ottoman from. So, and it matches the apartment too. It's nice. But yeah, I'm going to Goodwill. Forget this, man. I can't. And Home Depot wasn't any help either. November 13th, 18th. I don't even know what that means. Look at this happy couple. I assume they're a couple. Are they married, you think? Or is it... They're probably just friends. But, yeah, because she's not looking at him. She's happy, though, so they're probably friends. But, I mean, just because you're not looking, forget it. They look happy, but you know what? They'd probably... You know why they're happy? They're happy because they already have their beanbag. They have it. I don't, so I'm not happy. I am sad. This is $240. I love how that looks. I can't believe it. So upset. Oh, shoot. I mean, they say it's convenient to be able to buy something at the press of a button, but, like, it's not convenient when you have to wait for a long time when I could just hop in the car, go and pick it up, and come back. I'm going to Goodwill.